If you are here watching this video, chances are you suspect that you might have breast implant illness and you want to know if you can test for it. In this video, I'm going to share what breast implant illness is, some of the symptoms of breast implant illness according to the FDA, and what test or tests can be done to determine if you have breast implant illness. But before we dive in, welcome if you are new to my channel. If you are not new to my channel and you watch all my videos, hey! My name is Christina. I'm the founder of Size Happy, the admin of the best Facebook group on Facebook, Breast Implant Illness, Rejuvenation, and Education with Christina. And I am also a behavior change specialist and certified EFT practitioner. Breast implant illness, by definition, is considered a cluster or constellation of symptoms that come on after having a breast augmentation. Now, according to the FDA, common symptoms of breast implant illness are fatigue, brain fog, joint pain, hair loss, swollen lymph nodes, insomnia, and I am probably missing a couple. Since breast implant illness does have a whole list of symptoms, and these symptoms can sound like other things that might be going on with the body, it's really hard to truly pin down if you have breast implant illness. I've been getting asked actually a lot lately, and that's what prompted me to do this video is, can I test for breast implant illness? Is there anything I can test for that will tell me like, yes, I for sure have breast implant illness? And the answer is no. And this is kind of a rule of thumb when it comes to determining for yourself if you think you have breast implant illness. For instance, if you have breast implants, and you go to the doctor and you get all of these tests done and they're always coming back normal. I can't find anything wrong with you. We don't know what it is. I don't know why you're experiencing X, Y, and Z. Chances are it could be coming from your breast implants. And then on the flip side of the coin, if you have breast implants and you're really healthy and you do all the right things, you exercise, your diet's good, you're taking all these supplements, like you're doing everything right, but you don't feel good and your tests are actually showing that you might have autoimmune diseases or kidney issues or high levels of heavy metals, and there's just like things going on with you, and you're thinking to yourself, well, I'm young, I'm healthy, like I take care of my body, but I'm having all of these issues pop up, like what could be going on? Chances are that those things could also be stemming from your breast implants. So as you can tell, there's really no way to determine for sure if you have breast implant illness, because when you go to the doctor and you tell them, I have all of these symptoms, they're just going to check for things, that might indicate fatigue. So, Epstein-Barr virus or anemia, or maybe some immune system issues, or, maybe if you have brain fog, they might check your hormones. Maybe if you have insomnia, like they're most likely going to check your thyroid, your hormones, your liver, your kidneys, your blood cells, the generic type of things. And oftentimes, my experience was everything came back within normal range. Once I found out about breast implant illness, though, and I found out what the breast implants were made out of, it was a no-brainer for me. I knew those things should not be in my body. They are so toxic. Like I never even considered that it could be coming from my breast implants because I was told that they were safe, and I didn't know that they were made out of all of these chemicals, neurotoxins, endocrine disruptors, carcinogens, heavy metals. And so for me, it was like, God, no wonder why I don't feel good, but I'm taking care of myself. And I think I was like 31 at the time that all of this started. So I think when it comes to breast implant illness, it's really up to you to determine if you have it or not based upon how you are feeling and what your tests are showing, and also maybe even your lifestyle. Because like I said, if you are young, if you are healthy, but you're just having all of these issues and nothing's really working, like no medication's working, no protocol's working, like you've gone to specialists and you've done all the things, then it could be time to look at breast implant illness. There are 5 things that I would look into before you explant if you are considering explanting, and that is looking into testing your candida to see if you have high candida in your body, also testing your heavy metals to see if you have high levels of heavy metals in your body, also testing your hormones, because oftentimes all of these things that I'm mentioning here, all of these things, when they are out of whack and they are out of balance and they are triggered and activated, they can show up as similar symptoms to breast implant illness. Another thing that I would look into is seeing if you have the Epstein-Barr virus and if it is activated right now. And then the 5th thing is looking into your adrenals and your kidney function and your thyroid. These 5 things, the candida, hormones, heavy metals, Epstein-Barr virus, and adrenals, when these things are out of whack, they can have the same symptoms of breast implant illness. So look into those if you are considering explanting, because it's really cool to see what your levels and markers were before explant and then what they are like 6 months after you explant. So I hope that this video helped. Let me know down below what videos you would like to see in the future, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.